Opto Circuits, remember last week, had a fairly good run. Opto Circuits, it got an approval as well. It's up close to 1% right now. But Opto Circuits has received a US FDA approval to market the MySense Heart. It's an equipment that they manufacture in the US. What does this move mean for the company? We are now joined by Mr. Valivati Bhaskar, Director of Finance of Opto Circuits, on the phone line to talk about how important this is. Mr. Bhaskar, thanks so much for joining in today. How important is this in terms of how revenues coming in for Opto Circuits as a company? Is this a fairly large kicker? I mean, or is this the start of something that could get you more approvals, if at all, if I'm reading it correctly? How does this work?
Good morning, Neeraj. This product is, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, loud and clear.
Yeah, this product is first of its kind, which is actually a wearable monitor, which means you normally see a monitor in the hospital which is huge. This is a small patch which has got a circuit built into it, and you just wear it. There's a wearable holder, as they call it. And this can be worn by the patient who needs to be examined for, say, 72 hours or so, and then you mail it into the hospital and the report comes out. And this is a platform on which 3 or 4 more products are going to get launched in the next 2 years. So this is actually close to a $500 million business potential in the US and out in Europe. So this is the starting point, as you're right about the reading, and we see that the revenues will start kicking in from the first quarter itself.
Sorry, so, okay, just to put this into perspective, it's a large market size that you're talking about for one product alone, and you're talking about maybe getting 3 or 4 further approvals in the next 2 years. How much? Does Opto Circuits believe it can get in terms of revenue into your books? Maybe not in this quarter, but maybe the whole of FY13.
I would say roughly about 15 to 20 million in the first year. And it, like I said, the other 2 products that are built in the same platform has got the potential, which is probably going to kick in every 6 months or so. And we see that the revenue should kick in. This could be a big one for the company because we are the first of its kind in the world. There's probably only one small little known company which has got the approval for this. And we are the large company that has got approval for this. So we see 3 or 4 products based on the same platform getting launched in the next 1 to 2 years. But this particular product itself can give you 15 to 20 million, or maybe 10 to 15 million in the first year and then multiply every year thereon.
Right. You were also looking at getting in partners or investors for your CapEx or your expansion plans. What's the status on that?
No, we are looking at JV partners primarily in the invasive space of the business. And it's a process that is on.